All right, so we're back here. So we pulled apart every one of these connections. Used a little bit of apple cider vinegar, toothbrush, and a little stainless steel brush, and tiny little pocket knife. Scraped off all the scale off of all those connections, and went on the female side and the male side, every one of them. And I disconnected the plow lights and I put their caps on there, and we got stock headlights. And if I disconnect these things and put them back on their connectors, those work again also. Well, here, let's see if the signals work. I don't know, signals might not work. Yeah, signals don't work when the truck's off. But I think we got it. Outstanding. Talk to you guys later.